Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video.
Extend, but that's how him look to me.
Yeah, like him in a different phase.
Yeah, and him look up at me and him say, because I love you, you know. And I say, I know. And him say, John knows you're my favorite little cousin. And him say, enough thing me tell you. And me not hear it back. Enough thing them tell me. Why me I tell you? And I say, I know. And same time I walk when I want to stand up on the step because my sister did come at the window. And I stand up on the step and talk to my sister and him still sit down there. And the girl come from around at the back now. And she have the knife and she leave her wall off her and she have flash the knife and the knife get this close to him face. And it's like him now see it. And I look behind me and I see it and I say to my sister, I say, what a ras if the knife they ever catch him. And him look up and see me when me attack and laugh. And him get up for the last time that I see my cousin. And him hold him back, put him to one pan him back, him hip. And him have had a corduroy, a brown corduroy pants. But never forget, but I remember the color marina where me have had. And him said, John no star, I don't feel good. And him walk across the street like one bench in the street, but think him go sit down on it, but then him walk, I don't see which part him walk after that. But him walk like him go sit down on the bench, but him never bother and then him change. But I don't know if him going at the yard, side of the yard, the said yard where him dead in. I don't know if him going at the yard, then I can't tell you, but at the last time that I see him come, I never going at the dance tonight. All right.
So you never got the dance tonight?
Wait now, the night evening now. That me know say in baby mother did go on a country with Patsy Buckers. And she come the Sunday night, so she done Anatown. So me gonna Anatown the Sunday evening now. And persuade her, she don't want to come. She said no, she afraid, because she feels say she have there with that man now. Tony I go do her something, but Tony never care about her. I just him pick him care about it. From him breed her and bring her come away yard, him never give her rat's ass about her. So me say Tony not do nothing, man. Tony not do nothing. Cause me know say Tony have only father girl and whatever. I never care about Sharon. So me persuade her and she come. The whole of us sit down out and they stand up out at the yard front of the gate and I watch everybody and I laugh off of the matey, them how much matey are going at the dance and thing. It was a fun that night there with me. We just standing, we are listen to the DJ, come I tell you the era short time could have DJ, you know.
Yeah, man, true.
We are listen to the music and everything, but we never go in at the yard. The whole of us, some girl that live across the street and me, my sister, Sharon, the whole of it out there. And it was like a fun entertainment for I watch the girl. Because I think Carol did pregnant with her second child that time.
Yeah.
One when Juliet, she did pregnant too and got the dance. It was that trip that night with me and we not just joke. So we used to sit down and joking and watch them and I say, oh, the girl, them going at the house and we are counting. I said 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
I said, I get to all the
I said, they know what them do. We kind of enjoyment, but so we could have get some joke.
Yeah.
So anyway, the morning now about 5 o'clock we wake me up kind of queuing. Even though the sound I play now, when I go in, I go sleep. And I'm going about 12 o'clock, I sleep out right. When we wake me up about the 5 o'clock now is one little girl, she had me, I know where she'd come from here, so up her house, so she always come, she was about, she could have more than 10 and 11, used to come sleep with Tony.
Mm-hmm.
So the night he must get her to this boy where they live side of me, the next room from me. Lance, in the name Lance, but in their mother, they live up the street. I mean, I know which part around a Penn Street or such, them say she did live.
Mm-hmm.
So him girl, it look like Tony give him the girl for go sleep with. And the baby mother raised key and say, from about 5 o'clock in that wake me up, You're not going to come, you're not going with no girl, you're not sleep with her today. You're not sleep with her and peer. And I say, girl, go on to your yard now. Girl, go on to your yard now. Me say it was a trip. I couldn't sleep from 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
So the morning now when it get about 6 o'clock, me see her running, I come through the gate, I'm here. Wake up the man them, police, I'm here, blow. And from the first set I shot down, me don't know who, but them say this boy where the name. When the name let someone of them name, me live across the street. Them say me go out Cuba, go learn for fire 16. Me don't know how true it that was. But them say him, them give the 16. And them say if me the fire was even one shot, everybody do that wake up. But me know me never sleep.
Yeah.
So after that one shot, the fire now a peer shot, and when I time me, I think say the shot they go just fire and done. Look like a rain shot. Me have to knock my sister door and I say, Sonia, let me in and me and pick them go over the front room. Me and my son about 6 months, because I'm born in June, I'm born the 8th of June, 1980, and that was 81. That was the 1st of June, 81. So I'm still little, like 1 year old.
Mm-hmm.
So me now with my brave self, open the front window with my baby at the side and say, after car police car park right at the car, with this pussy eye police boy, wings round at the side, And I say, me open the window and say, officer, don't shoot up the house, baby, in here. And him say, get low. And me lap back the window and lay down, pardon me, and the pick them, because I say, everybody lay down. And me correspond with Angela with fear picking them across the other side of the house with fear baby father in there. So we start pinch up, we pick them and before that, me and Shirley down at the bed before me make my sister open the door. She under the bed at trim blow till I go me a fear hold her down and I say, I don't love the bad man and I them thing woman with the bad man I forgot you. I say tappy. Therefore, hold her down the girl just a trim block away so I have the bangle them pan her. I say take them off her hand.
Kind of make nice.
Yeah. So anyway, after when me tell my sister to open the door, I go over there now. So when them start fire the shot in the house now, I said, Jesus King. I start pinch up, pick them and say, no ball and make nice. And my sister pick them in there, my kids them in there. And I say, Angela. Then when them start fire the shot, I say, police, I say, officer, pick me in, I start ball. Them say, no, come out. And I say, Angela, this is what you go do. Me don't know me brave so. Me never frightened, me never shake or nothing. Me say, Angela, because I know it's a fair deal for them and them wasn't a bad man. So me say, Angela, put the picking them in front of you and tell Sack to come out in my underpants alone. And you they be make him the behind the pick them and you the behind him. And the whole of we are gonna come out, line up and the whole of we are gonna come out same time. So we line up for my picking them and my sister pick them and we say when we stop at the door, we say Angela ready and we come out, the whole of we come out same time. And them say we forgot them put we cross the street. Them put the whole of we cross the street. You know we know the girl them over there, so we in a them house. And peer shot of fire. The girl named Angela now, with her baby father, I tell her to come out naked. When I sit down at the house now, I observe her, you know. She keep looking for me and look for my sister, and then she turn her head like she want to cry. So I watch her for about 3 times, I see she do it, and she look for me with a sad face, and she look for my sister. And then she hold on her head like she go cry. I say, Angela, why you keep looking for me and so like you go cry? And then you look like you go cry. She said, if me tell you, no, I go believe me. Because she's a quiet girl, you know, soft spoken and everything. And when we talk loud to her, it look like it scare her.
Yeah.
So I say, me nah go. She said, if me tell you, no, I go believe me. And I say, oh, you mean you not go believe you? What? And she said, no, go believe me. And I say, all right, Angela, we are going to believe you. And she said, Tony dead and Pampado dead. And then put him in the yellow car and drive the car. I say, Angela, I lie, you tell. And she said, same thing, no, I go believe me. I say, well, all right. I say, all right, I go believe you. What happened? She said, she did the window and watch. And she said, them Tony dead. And then put him in the yellow car and put Joe Pampado. Pampado was a tailor guy. He lived in the yard next door upon the other street. He wasn't a gunman. But him love parade, come over the yard, come parade them. That time we never know say Michael dead. And I say, me never feel no way. Me never feel like, I want to tell us Tony dead and nobody in the family don't cry, my Michael dead. We just feel it, say them gone, or we never cry, we never, we not saying him, you know, because we know the kind of life we live, and we know one day it's going to end.
Because you know I saw it go on them thing there.
Yeah. My auntie now, when everything done here, so my auntie I said, them kill off the whole of it, because me and my sister, they live in the yard, they pick them. She said the whole of them dead, but we, never happened to we, you know. But people tell it like idiot Marley, no, she never tell nobody say we did in the yard.
But she wasn't there.
The saga where we go to strong attack for fear behalf. Yes, she's right when she said the minister them and Tony Spalding. All of them know about it. Tony Spalding that they head I to set it up. And then the plan was for Bonnie Night come to bring the spliff. When him dead, him drunk. If him never drunk, he would have get way. But me blame it on the thing where them do. Still, them shouldn't go do no bloodbath and him shouldn't wash it off. The only one never make water touch them skin and God.
Because
and all of them to go away. The three of them to go away. That's why they go do the blood bath.
Forgot foreign. Yeah,
and I got go away left them see him before the funeral. By the way for the funeral.
But she say I remember and see if I got anything, but him did still on the cellar. Yeah,
she don't know where she know. Yeah. She did.
Yeah, cause me tell her, I say, him kick out Michael, you know though.
Or man to come out.
No, she said.
Nobody couldn't come out. Nobody couldn't come out or couldn't go in because soldier black off everywhere. My brother would have been dead too, you know.
If him did that.
My same brother would say, him begs Tony the shoes, but him say, no, him a go over. In the night, so him say, come out and go away. Go over, because I live in Mexico. Even this youth, where live down at the bottom of Love Street and the other street near Pegasus, him say, he never sleep in there too. And him left and go down in the yard.
But can you know say Tony Welch behind it though, you know though.
Yeah, the one you can't tell me. Myself tell him, so my brother tell me, so them they can't draw upon him, you know. I mean, never discuss it with nobody. About 3 years ago, I tell my sister. When I tell my sister,
Al Peter Metro did know about it. I'll hear my talk now on them thing there. The whole of them know, you know. The whole of them did know on them thing there.
stir up all of them know. Cause when me ask my brother why them a go kill two of them, say because them are well, me no remember the exact word, but him that's like me that say him a protect Agat. I remember say Agat used to par with the wild bunch them, and used to the wild bunch them used to rape me. Now I go say him night, cause enough of them night when them not do where the head one, them do like DNA and jungle. Them just follow.
So because
started dead because I really got. Cause I protect him. I'm man, I'm going to protect him. Cause you know them do I kill him from the end of them time.
Yes. Cause Tony will never like him, you know.
And him go and him come back and here say him run with Kemar from up there.
Willie Agat.
Yeah.
True.
Kemar apart with Jordan, man.
Yeah, but you know, say but then I'm told him come from, you know.
Oh.
Willie Agat.
Well, me don't know if I got come from then I'm told, but me know him father have a wolf pick me down and Rima, cause me meet some of them when me there in California.
But him never help none of him family either.
Him not help nobody just like us Starkey though. Not even him mother. Me say all I'm funeral or somebody else, them a push up like I'm mother. Somebody have to say no. I share Agat mother. Them treat woman like dog.
Boy, me live with my mother when me a big man and them thing there. Big man when me a
if
police.
My mother was alive when me come and find my mother, would have live like a queen.
Yeah, man. My mother live with me as a big man and them thing there. You understand? I live in a foreign, me live with my. You understand what I'm saying?
Suppose me tell you something. My sister when me used to come, you know, I got to have a sister named Marcy, one boy named me. But she said me and Jackie, I said like I saw kill. And when my sister know the whole details, and she said the boy them come back, come talk, cause I got him really a bad man, you know. I got was a stick man, him not really a bad man.
Him just used to there, him used to,
but true, him come a foreign and him get have the little money now and so. Him could have pay a man for do, cause I pay the boy them for kill the boy, we kill him sister. When my sister tell me about it, me nearly drop. Me say,
so, you know, we continue the series of it. General Starkey, yes, Anthony Tingle. You know, although the man is dead over 43 years ago, you know, the man name, people still talk about him as if, you know, as we said before, as if he, not only a memory of him, but it's like, the man is like an hero to the people in our community at Jonestown. And so, if you have heard Eka Mouse, yeah man, Eka Mouse who was a DJ, come from the community too. Eka Mouse, I'd say that General Starkey and SSP Calvin Benjamin, a man at the below General Starkey. Yeah, whether or not you want to believe it, General Starkey was a celebrity bad man. If you can't see him dress and him thing there. Yeah, and as you hear him cousin say, that's why I would say my rapist, because he used to have sex with underage girl, but as you hear she say, them used to come and beg him and them thing there, so you understand, them used to line up, you know. I tell you, I saw it go, you know, so a long time, them girl, I just, you know, yeah, I know, you know, so it go and them thing there, a long time, them girl, and good man, they kill people, them want for, you know, them old gunman, you understand, and them man, they did turn the gunman business in a celebrity thing, so that's why, you know, you understand, and man, the song about them, and you understand, yeah, General Starkey, so he was, you know, larger than life. So here, Eka Mouse said, so Calvin Benjamin were reporting the scene firing gun salute and exchanging firearms. So he must say, Benji, that a detective, I give Starkey theme police gun, and the man them have all shot in the dance in a pain pan. That's what they must say, but that's how we Eka Mouse say, because he was there the night. But you're going to hear from the cousin, you know, so they might exchange, so you know, so that a night before him dead. Whether, you know, how the garrison operate, you know, people is, you know, people always be careful of what them say, and you know, not to get people mixed up or anything like that. But as we can tell us, we have no reason to disbelieve General Starkey cousin, because she was there, and she, you know, she knocked down the claim and said no, nothing no go say a lie that, because she never, you know, shot at the dance night and them thing there, so. she never say I like Ika Mouse, I tell me ask her, she say no, go so on them thing there. You understand? But we know so the man in a whole heap of gunshot, you understand? Yeah man, gunshot like rice. That's what happened. And that happened the morning when time, Tom Levine and Trinity and the great Tony were dead, and Tom Levine still alive. Tom Levine about 87 now. Calvin Benjamin 75. So and him do well too, say man, you understand. So the night of the legend and the tragedy, unraveling the myth around General Starkey. So in the vibrant and pulsating world of Jamaica reggae and dancehall story, often intertwined with legend, creating compelling and controversial narratives. One such tale surrounds the event leading up to the tragic demise of General Starkey, that's Anthony Tingle, and his companions, accordingly to renowned reggae dancehall artists, Ika Mouse. Man, I say, how did them time him have that song there, Lucky them never send him to the departure alone, him and Uncle him and Willie got survived from the morning. But the police reports here 8 people in our community say no, a lie Chris, a 9 and a youth where a comfort will live beside and him think that him get licking eye to the police, them not count him because he was no bad man. So I asked who account for you to say, know about that, bad no business, so they not bury him. Not remember him name right now, them thing. And them say a 9 and a really 8. Police reports say a 8 because I did 8 bad man and all them thing there. Yeah, all Errol Shot and them man there. You understand? So according to renowned artist Ika Mouse, the night before General Starkey and others were killed, an unusual and ominous scene unfold at a local dance. So this is why him saying, you can't search it because we are telling you, because we listen to him, So the artist account, Ika Mouse, a prominent figure in reggae scene, claimed that during the dance, former senior superintendent of police, SSP Calvin Benjamin, was present engaging in reckless display of power. According to the artist, SSP Benjamin fired shots in the air, create, you don't know them a celebrate and them thing, the music, and honestly, I hear this because I don't know them man, there's no dance man, Benji, so them time they bit young still, you understand? Me know say Iman, me know say Benji and George Pang a friend. Me never know say Iman Starkey a friend. Me know say Starkey and Calf Walker was friend. Cause Calf Walker was a man like a whore and although him a police. Yeah, him love money and them thing there, so I just saw it go. Them man there anything with money, yeah man, Calf Walker from here youth and them thing there. That I see him Calf Walker to with Starkey's sister. Starkey's sister, husband, mother. Yeah, I saw it go. Calf Walker. Yes, although we digress a little on them thing, because Marlene, mother-in-law, did shoot a girl, Yeah, man, and Calf Walker, try to take 30 grand off her. So him get transferred, from Unspeaker CIB headquarters, and they never put him back in a uniform because him connected, and them send the woman where she shot, them send her to England. Yeah man, so and Francis Fabs and them a friend and them thing there, and them never did lock up Calf Walker feet. Yeah man, Calf Walker get soap. That's how it go. Yeah, so I must say boy Benji in there and a gun saluting and with General Starkey and them him girl Starkey theme police gun and Starkey game theme bad man gun and the whole of them did there and them thing there. That painted a picture of conspiracy and lawlessness. So dissecting the claim, because however those closer to the ground quickly dismissed this dramatic narrative. General Starkey, cousin and others, people even from Love Street say, I lie that and them thing that. I wish part Jonestown Primary there. Them said General Starkey, cousin and several other eyewitnesses from the dance vehemently deny Ika Mouse account. They stating unequivocally that SSP Benjamin was not present at the event that night. So these conflicting stories raises essential question about memory, perception and the creation of legends. So regardless of its integrity, Ika Mouse claim illustrate the potent mix of myth and reality that often characterize stories from the dancehall scene. Dancehall culture thrive on vivid storytelling, where the lines between truth and embellishment are frequently blurred. Such stories serve multiple purposes: entertaining, cautioning, and often reinforcing social and political narrative. So General Starkey's cousin and others dismiss Ekamouse's accounts, underscoring the importance of eyewitnesses' testimony in reconstructing historical events. Eyewitnesses provide crucial context and can help separate fact from fiction. So their accounts suggest a different reality that contradicts the sensationalism of the artist's story. So reflecting on the broader implication, this episode invites us to reflect on a broader theme that go beyond the immediate narrative, the creation of legends. How do legends form and why do they persist? So General Starkey is a legend, whether you like him or not. I mean, I like criminal doing it, you understand? Yeah, you know, see. But if you listen to, you listen, based on what I said, General Starkey, really, him kill people, him not to kill a Rima and Tival, him not see, understand? Because it's here, say, and them telling nobody never used to retaliate against them. But you're going to hear in a same jungle now, where same jungle people kill people and them retaliate against the family. So what is happening right now in the criminal underworld is something that has been started in my community too. So everything starts from where me come from. Because General Stark used to kill labor right down at Tivoli and Rima, and them know him family. And them never harm them never kill them never, all the mother them know. And nobody never do them anything. But in a jungle, them kill Peter, Joe dog mother, and Peter dog, and how hell them kill all baby the man them kill. I tell you, so at them started. So you understand? So him know Stark used to kill labor right, and the labor right them know Stark, and them never do them anything. So you see the difference. You understand? So that's how, them say, in this case, Starkey, his life and death has become the stuff of legend, fueled by story that may or may not be accurate. These legends often reflect the community's struggles, fears, and hopes. So the intersection of authority and rebellion, the alleged interaction between SSP Benjamin and General Starkey, whether true or not, symbolize the complex relationship between authority figures and those who rebel against the system. It raises questions about corruption, collusion, and the thin line between law enforcement and law breaking. I don't know how them do it and them thing there. Benji, I kind of police, enough police them man that's in a prison. So me know for a fact say Benji and George Pang are friend. Me not say I know. Me know for a fact say Benji and Danai Williams are friend. Ask me know. I must say them, me have family living in them the community. Me I tell you, Calvin, Benjamin, the same police when enough police look up to. Them man they are some real corals now friend. Can't say the same about man like Granville Gaz, and can't say about Reggie Grant either and them thing. Reggie Grant never working at them place, but Benji and them man they are friend. Money too. That's how it go. You understand? I don't know how the man they are friend with all man like Danai Williams to kill Judge. But that's how it go still. So it goes to show you say them a war. You understand? But yet still them want people to remember say them, and no only that too, but it is alleged say him and Tony would kill 2 police too. Because you understand? So as much as people have them say them squeaky clean, them not really clean. You understand? So community, I not nothing against Benji. You understand? I never have no encounter with him. One time when him did that out of East, and one time that some things happen and them thing there, and I come from Guncoat, and I just saw it go on them thing there. Hey, the man them say them don't want me get involved. My boss say, allow it. Them get the 3 gun, just allow it, Chris. Just allow it, Porter. And that was it, yeah. Where I tell you, so that 3 gun, yeah man, one time, see it, and them just come and I just saw it go. So community memory and identity, the conflicting accounts from Ekamous and the eyewitnesses highlight the role of community memory in shaping identity. These stories, true or not, become part of the collective consciousness, influencing the future of generation perceive their past and eras. So what them do every day, may I tell you, say I like corners them. When they talk about General Starkey, if you can't think, you'd think that this man was an upstanding citizen, and the matter like him a criminal, may I tell you, yeah man, how much people him kill and I say, boy, them people are some sick people, because I say, oh, me no want to be no General Starkey. Me want to be Tom Levine. Yeah, him say me want to be like. Me I tell you. Yeah, man. So in Ravlin, yeah, and guess what? Hey, Tom Levine, And you saw Tom Levine is a man who like a bad man and him boss it too, Yeah, I'm say bad man. Him now, just have a different walk. Them man they just soft spoken. See it, and yeah, man, just, enjoy him retirement in them 80s. God bless Tom Levine, man. Anyway, we call him number the other day, but boy, nobody no answer them thing there. So, we're not if I am film number, if it change or what. So, in unraveling General Starkey's myth, it is essential to approach this story with a critical eye. We must seek multiple perspectives, understand the context, and recognize the power dynamics. This critical engagement helps us appreciate the complexities of history and how it is remembered and retold. So the night before General Starkey, death remains shrouded in myth and mystery. Ecomouse accounts, countered by testimonies of eyewitnesses, exemplifies the intricate dance between legend and reality in Jamaican culture. So as we reflect on these stories, let us strive to honor the truth while understanding the decisive role that myth plays in shaping our collective history. By doing so, we can gain deeper insights into the life of those who came before us and the lessons their experience impart. Yeah, man, whether you like General Starkey or not, General Starkey was a legend. Yeah, I just say it go. And I want to tell you too, even some special branch man say General Starkey was far more dangerous than Copper, Jim Brown and Natty Morgan. And the reason why more dangerous than them, because he was a sharpshooter and a marksman. Copper wasn't a sharpshooter and a marksman. Natty Morgan wasn't either. But Jim Brown was a marksman. But them say Starkey was more dangerous. Because him now, yeah, Starkey are going a year territory come kill you and them thing in a labor right territory. He never did afraid of them thing. So them the same kind of crazy. While Jim Brown was a different, he was more like a commander. Yeah. And them say him the different. Even the police them say, boy, him now, Jim Brown now, all when him a go up all a Rima, the police them at the town see him a pass with all 40 man with gun. And the police they nothing call control and all. Boy, may I tell you, hey boy, I forget, thanks to the police them work at West Kingston and all them things, because boy, I'm all dead down there and them things, just like how them kill Thompson in a vehicle. One bad police with the name Thompson, where they used to that in town. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide. That time Levine.
One at the time when we at the house, Benji come in there and him look at me and say, "Yeah, him no fall, you and the thing." I said, "No, me don't live in my granny yard, a girl in the street."
But the man Starkey was friend.
And what to Benji know the whole way, but me I try take with myself, deny him right there. So I said, "No, me don't live in my granny yard, a girl in the street."
Yeah, but the man Starkey a friend and George Pang.
Yeah, so anyway, him look past her and I say, "You know, my mother," and she I try say no, and I say, "Wait," him say, "Where your address?" She I try give my address out of East, but then they say, "You too fucking like come here," and him take her out and carry her. Me hear peer shut a fire, me swear so she dead too. But she got jail, I must have there for 1 week. When she come back, she tell her say Benji carry her around at the back of the yard. And when she say Errol shot her wall in belly, and I say a ball, and I say me Errol shot her, the DJ. And then when everybody, the body them gone and everything, and me going to the yard the day, the yard right, that's why we couldn't live, nobody couldn't live, we couldn't live back in the yard after that day.
Yeah, man, they all for blood.
The board, the flooring tear up. It was something. When me look on the ground, a peer ear me see, and when me take this stick and touch the skull, so when she tell me say him turn on the 60, me I say, "Oh, that's why I see skull them in the yard with the ear pan it. I said, Jesus Christ. All the youth them in the front of the yard where them take up the body them ball them move out of Jonestown same time. And them youth them live there, but them wasn't gunman, them work.
All the people living at the place that are good people and them thing there, but boy.
And me have 2 cousins live up in Angola where them born and grow in the sun, them a teacher.
And them still live the same way?
Yeah, them still live the same way. Me have a great niece already. She moved on to the waters. She go to school and she have a much subject and work. My niece friend them used to tell her, say, when your niece go when she come out a morning time, it look like she buy everything what she need when she come in. She don't come out back.
Because
yeah, the people come from the jungle, liar, doctor, Indian chief, everybody. Cause even one of Spratters, Sophia's sister, a liar. She did there with Spurline when we used to go up. They go check them.
So she not a pitney for him?
For who?
For Spurline.
No, she never have no pity because she go high school. And she tell me say she go be a liar from she go school.
So what she that? She a liar Jamaica now?
Yeah. She live up there. They made by a house and up there she live.
You know, so Spurline live a Connecticut though.
I don't even know where it become him.
Yeah man, he live a Connecticut man. But you know, so all of them boy them are criminal to do.
I don't know none of them connection, you know.
Yeah man, theme boy.
I never, although I live them, I never make it my point of duty to push up myself and know people. Oh, me know stir them, my little sister too. She little, she know, she walk around and she know things. we used to stand up at 8th Street and we used to have this lady yard where used to live a girl and she brother did get the house of her. She still living there. Murdy. And when we go up there, up at the front, go check Murdy at night time. My sister we said, Lorena, one day in the blue shirt, I him name so, and I him name so, and I him name so. I saw me know a few of them. I never interested for know them.
But he come out saying, said the night, said the night at the dance. We don't know how truth it is and them thing there. Him say Benji, may I send the voice note on them thing there. Him say Benji did the night dance with Starkey. Starkey a fire theme Benji gun and Benji a fire Starkey gun.
You see, me can't tell you so that happening at the dance because I never go in at the dance. But never hear no shot never fire at the dance tonight.
Well, so you see, they understand because I know so me never hear no shot on them thing there.
We out there, we not hear no shot fire. So let me tell you, a lot of people exploit Tony death, you know, because I know people used to keep memorial every year.
And make money off it. True.
And we don't get them never one day look for one of the family member and give them $1. And we know after that, people used to keep memorial every year for you. So them just use the name for keep them dance and make money. But it is well, I feel say a time now, you know, I'm dead and gone him for resting. If him soul can wrestle, make him go rest, you know.
But you know, yeah, you see, just like how him shot and him thing that, you know, say him have a daughter when the police come from Tivoli.
What?
Yeah, man, him have a daughter.
Let me tell you something. Somebody me have a friend who tell me, say Tony have a daughter.
When the police?
And And I know she's a police or not, but Tony, let me tell you with Tony now, everything him tell me, because me never know Swan. Me never know when Joanna breed, and me never know him come tell me, come a girl, she say, I have a daughter down behind HTB bakery, so, and he make me know. I say, we never know Sharon when Sharon breed, and him tell me and bring her come at the yard. Him never did hide that from me. Him never did hide that from me.
No, may I tell you, man, him have see him like how him look, like how him face round and everything. All the girl, her ear did she have long ear to one them thing there. She named Karen Tingle. She come from Tivoli. You see him like how him did call her, so she did call her. Andrew Pang kill her, you know. Andrew Pang from Grand Spen. And some Adams them kill him. She named Karen Tingle. She used to deal with my friend on name, my virgin on name Nelson. She used to deal with him and them thing there.
I have a friend where used to live. I get to know them up here. She tell me say Tony have a daughter where live over. It come from where them call over there so.
Cross the waters.
Yeah, but over the water there so where that's the name Cumberland.
Across the waters, man. Cumberland, right beside Independent City. Yeah, man.
But me never meet him, and somebody else to tell me say my daughter live up a jungle too. But from him not tell we, cause him not have no reason for hide them. So him want we know him family them. Him pick them if him have them.
But you don't. I want to. Well, she said she said She said about two times she remember seeing him and them thing there. Tivoli she come from, you know, she was police. She named Karen Tingle.
Because sometimes them sleep, you know, a man will sleep with you for you give him a little one piece and, you know, see him again and I pick them. Me don't know if it them me hide it from him.
True.
Because in that I will live in Anatone, she don't have him name the granny wouldn't make Joanne register the picnic because at the time him never give Joanne nothing. She said, the granny said, since she take care of her, but him love Swan and him know a Swan and pick the car the Friday before him, they didn't send me to town go for Swan and him have a ride up and down on the bike the whole Friday. From me bring her.
But may I tell you, say that the girl when a police and them thing that, may I tell you, she, you know, she did there with a man who have money, you know. And yeah, man, and she shot him up, you know.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man, shut up the man. She have picnic for him, man, and move in the house, you know, with the man and his wife uptown, you know. The police woman, you know. I pay the man pay £100 for kill her. And that's £100 dead. Cause she a police, you know, him kill her in her uniform. She named Karen Tingle. She did that kind of one cold piece of girl, man.
Well, me hear Marlene say something about the whole of them are same father lie. That part is a lie. When Enid there with the Tony father, when Tony don't know him father, when Enid a breed with Tony, him go away a foreign and him not come back.
Oh, that's a Marlene him father?
No, Marlene him father named Sidney McLeod. Me know him. Cause when we come back at town, come live with me, so I'll come a girl in street when Simon up, they come give Simon money, so me know him. I think him dead about 71, so.
Yeah.
Or 70. I remember between 71 and 72, 73 him dead from cancer.
So I fear him sister she used to live with.
Yeah, him have a teacher sister, used to teach a Central Branch. Cause even when Jamal did come in, she used to be the head of the Jamal over Central Branch. And we used to go there. Me and my sister. Me used to go there and she was the head, the teacher. The one who control the Jamal class. So when Michael get big, cause him pass film exam with him, Michael educated boy, and him can speak Spanish and French fluently, you know.
Yeah, that you said. Just like the brother will come from Junior Lane, named Trevor Bennett, the one that killed the judge out of East. Him speak Russian, you know, Russian and Spanish fluently.
Yeah, because him, you know, and him.
He used to got KC too.
Yeah, when him. I think when him in either third farm or fourth farm, him decides him now, cause where them used to do, you know, them used to tell him, cuss them and tell them about them dirty criminal family. So it look like it them something they used to burn him. So one day, we never know him either. Cause when from them little, them father give them to the auntie, so we never know them. We don't know of them.
Oh, that's a Michael. Uncle Tony alone, you know.
Yeah, Tony and Simon. Me never remember the little white one, them when they made little and on a back a while, but then me never follow my auntie, but my brother used to follow my auntie go look for them. Some Sunday evening. When I'm gonna tell you about now.
No, you not talk. So when Michael I got school in a third farm, and them I tell him about some criminal family.
In a third farm or in a fourth farm, him left and come a girl in street, and him never tell me why. You know, him ask me the time he did live down a Lizard Town, so me carry him down a Lizard Town. You know, him carry my Lizard Town. And when Marlene and the auntie come there and I ask.
So Michael
ask him. Me tell her I don't know where him there.
So why you never tell them?
Because me hear my tell my granny where them do.
Over school. Treat him. Oh, okay. Oh, Man, so are the auntie help drive him where and drive him in
Yeah,
a
them always I tell him about him criminal family, them like you know, and
them are look them are so
if them would grow him and never mention them, he would have grow up and probably be something, you know, other than that.
oh
But when them are telling about him criminal families, like him want to know them.
yes.
Him want to know him other set of family when, you know, cause them never from the father take them and get to the auntie, you know, him sister, you know, them him not make them come look for Enid, you know. They never go look for Enid.
Oh, so although him was them father, him behave although him sleep with Enid and him thing that him no want the pit them come round Enid. Cause I wish she live.
It was alright. Him have three of them him have Enid have female, Simon, Michael and Marlene. Him take the two biggest one, Marlene and Michael, and give him sister. That time them was picnic, them was like a picnic. That time we live a man in ZELLE when the contraction they go on. But we know of it because we hear a mother and everybody and them talk about it. So we never get for them, we not grow up with them like how we grew up with. We had a cousin them and do all with their girl in street together and play together.
Like big yard and yeah.
Right. We are Simon and you know grew up together and them something. So when she attack about the whole of them are same father, that's a lie. Tony never ever liked Sydney. Yeah, because him go like him them go like them and him, you know, me by the time me to like him that him make a fine for box him down.
For box down Sydney.
Yeah. So when she attack her crap, she don't know nothing.
She don't know nothing. Cause you should say boy in time our father got jail and them thing there. He got prisoner at Spanish Town for back beat up a man. And at them time the fear mother get involved with the next man and I saw him come by the name Tingle.
That's a lie. Auntie, this man breed Enid and him come a foreign and then him not come back to Jamaica. Just like my grandfather. My grandfather breed my grandmother with our first daughter, with my first auntie. And she know him. My first auntie know him. When him go with our foreign, and when him come back, my grandmother pregnant with Auntie Enid. That's a sailor man picnic.
Yeah.
So him come see her with the belly and him dead for a while and she register name Pete. Because him own the picnic. That's how them man they genuine in them back then. Then before him go back, him sleep with my granny again and my mother pregnant with my granny, with my mother. Him go back before my mother born, so my mother don't know my grandfather.
Oh.
You did it? Yeah, no, no, but the man didn't come back. But two night then I talk about it and she said the boy them broke the window and go in there. Cause you know them all hopeful house, they don't know a Wackland
true.
So the boy in there sleep and him girl Boogie niece. And the boy, she said the boy I'm going there, they going with the red light and then when him wake up like as him wake up and see the light, boom, he may drop back.
Them lick him.
Yeah, and them just drop the window and come out and the girl take up the gun and carry her uncle. You say you did it?
Them. But you know say Fame that still do it come from the woman I betting shop where them kill Tony Starkey the betting shop man in time them they kill 3 female man where Tony Welch did kill in front of the betting shop after them go kill the woman where the same woman where Marlene I say that Michael killed the woman. Because
I don't know which year that one there. I don't know if it's a different one from when we
no man, I eat that happened that remember said that happened 80, you know. That happened the woman when we kill her betting shop and them thing up a jungle and them thing. That I think we can't because of the Tony with cousin. That's why I told you what did that man in Tom. You know Tom Levine where you said Admiral Town. The bad.
Enough police. Hey, enough police in there. That the man in there, you know.
Yeah, man. Then Tom Levine and Tony with I told them do all like.
Hey, one at the time.
You don't remember Tom Levine?